Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by James Graham. Now, if you don't know who James Graham is, he's one of my good friends. He is someone I'm actually going to be visiting whenever I go to Texas. We're actually going to be celebrating his birthday. And, here's the thing. Okay, so the reason, how James and I became friends is really funny. So, one day, James and Eamon were doing a Instagram live together, and I was just like, okay, this kid's cool, so I'm gonna follow him. So I followed him, and then not long later, he did a live with Cynthia Lee Fontaine. I was like freaking out with him. I was like, oh my gosh, you got to do the live with Cynthia Lee Fontaine. And he's like, I know. And so it's like from there, it's like I see he would go live. I'm like, okay, this kid's interesting. Why not go watch? And then that's also how I came into contact with Amy. And then he's like, hey, why don't you join my live one day? And I'm like, okay, why not? Sure, why not? I never do lives. This should be fun. So I joined the live, and we were just like talking, getting to know one another, and like immediately clicked. And I'm just like, I like this kid. He's a lot of fun. And now I'm just like, oh yeah, he's one of my friends. Yay. Honestly, he is a really good friend. So I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do a week, not a full week series like I normally do. But I'm going to be uploading from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for once, instead of just Wednesday, Friday. I know I've been doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday for a few weeks, actually for a few months earlier this year. Then I went back to Wednesday, Friday because of work. But I'm like, you know what? I have a little bit of time to pre-film, and I'm going to go for 3 days. Why not? Let's have fun with it. So I decided to do this look, and just to give you a little idea as to why, James, whenever he does looks for every day, likes to stick to peaches and warmth and just like glow. And I was like, okay, yeah, we'll do that. But he also likes to be really fun in color, so that's why I decided to do that like blue wing, which I know by the time this comes out it's been like a week. But I just have to say, this Mega Jelly eyeshadow, this is in the shade Something Blue, really good as a liner. Now I really want to try the other ones to see how they work as liners. And yeah, I just had a lot of fun creating this look. And also my hair is like being like really voluminous and like old school today. And I'm like, okay, I'm feeling this whole thing. I'm ready to go out, even though I won't. Anyway, I need to stop so we can make this intro somewhat decent and short. Anyway, if you want to see how I create this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my brows and primed and set my lids. And I started using Sand from the Flamingo palette, and today we're using the Flamingo palette. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get some warmth back on here. So we're going to go into We're going to go into Sunbathe. I'm sorry, I couldn't read it backwards. And we're going to put that high into the crease. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dip into Watermelon. I'm going to place that lower into the crease. And we're just going to blend. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little tap of sandals and bring that right into here. And here, because we're doing a halo eye. So I'm going to very lightly cut out this center portion, and then we're going to top it with a little bit of pinwheel on the outer thirds, and then the center you're going to see some fun. So we're going to be taking a little bit of pinwheel just on these edges. So on the innermost portion, well, the centermost portion of the eye, I'm taking Flashlight by Marc Jacobs. Just going to apply that again to the centermost portion. Okay, so it's a little different from what you would expect from me because it's really soft, which is something that James does a lot, so I don't. He does a lot of soft looks so he can go out and do everyday stuff. And I'm just like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna have fun and play with watercolor. Then again, he'll also play with watercolor, so you never know. Anyway, I'm gonna go redo this on this eye. Probably do some liner. I don't know why I'm feeling blue liner with this. Anyway, I'm gonna go do that full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. One thing about James is that he's always got glowing skin. So of course I had to use M-Resi highlighter. And so now we're going back to the eyes. And for my under eyes, I don't know what to do for the under eyes. Actually, I think I'm just gonna take Oceanfront and just like blend that out underneath. So that did not work. So instead, I'm gonna do what I normally do. Actually, no. Because you can't really see it, instead I'm gonna take Pinwheel and just smoke that out underneath. Because you can't really see it up on top. Scratch that. You can't even see the color anymore. So I'm just going to use my usual trick instead. Okay, and for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Seashell. So to add a little bit more glow, I'm going to take the M-Resi highlighter. Now let's take care of the lips. And for lipstick today, I'm taking Shiseido's Semi-Nude Modern Matte Lipstick. Real quickly, I'm going to go put on some lashes because I just realized I forgot to do that. And then we'll be right back. Okay, so now we have some lashes on and I'm looking nice. And I'm real quickly going to place a little bit of Gemini on the center of the lip. Okay, so now I know that was short, but now I'm going to let down my hair, spray down my face with some setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look, and I love how this turned out. I know it's a little odd, especially with how this under eye was trying to behave, but like, at the same time, this is very everyday. So you could actually have fun with it. Honestly, I really had a lot of fun making this look, not gonna lie. And I feel like the lips are on point for him. And the gloss, I use Libra because he's a Libra, so I'm like, okay, let's throw that in. And I just love how this turned out. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. And I also have to say, go follow James. Honestly, I'm really surprised at how we became friends so quickly, and I love it, so, yeah. Yeah, so that's it, I guess. I'll see you next time. Bye.